Financial freedom isn't a destination for your 50s. It's a reality you can build right now in your 20s. Today, we're breaking down the mindset, the income, and the investments that will set you free. It all starts with step 1, the money mindset. You have to stop viewing money as something to spend and start seeing it as a tool to grow. Shift from a scarcity mindset to an abundance mindset. Ask yourself, how can I make this money work for me? Budgeting isn't about restriction, it's about direction. Every dollar needs a job, whether that's for your lifestyle or your legacy. Start tracking your net worth today. Awareness is the first step toward control. Understand that cash is a depreciating asset. If your money is just sitting in a standard savings account, you're actually losing value every year. This brings us to step 2, building passive income. This is how you decouple your time from your earnings. Passive income can come from many sources: digital products, dividend-paying stocks, or even high-yield real estate. The digital world is a gold mine for your 20s. Create something once and let it sell while you sleep. Now, let's talk about the engine of wealth, investing. For beginners, the goal isn't to beat the market, it's to be in the market. The greatest advantage you have in your 20s is time. Compound interest is a snowball that starts small but ends massive. Don't try to pick the next winning stock. Invest in low-cost index funds that track the whole market. It's the smartest way to start. Diversification is your safety net. By spreading your investments, you minimize risk while capturing broad market growth. It's not about how much you invest, it's about how consistently you do it. Even $50 a month makes a difference. Automate your finances. If you never see the money, you won't miss it, and your future self will thank you. Yes, there is risk involved, but the biggest risk is not taking any risk at all. Time heals market volatility. Markets go up and down. Stay the course. Your 20s are for building the foundation, not for panic selling. Before you go all in, ensure you have an emergency fund. 3 to 6 months of expenses gives you the confidence to invest aggressively. Financial freedom is as much about peace of mind as it is about the numbers in your bank account. Don't forget the most important investment, yourself. Skills, education, and health are the ultimate multipliers for your income. Read, learn, and stay curious. Your earning potential is directly tied to the value you provide to the world. Beware of lifestyle inflation. As you earn more, don't just spend more. Keep your expenses low and your investment rate high. True wealth is the things you don't see, the investments, the equity, and the freedom to choose your day. Ask yourself why you want financial freedom. Is it for travel? For family? To start a business? Your why will keep you going. When your purpose is clear, the sacrifices feel like investments. You're not giving things up, you're trading for better. The best time to start was 10 years ago. The second best time is today. Don't wait for the perfect moment. Open that account, set that transfer, and make your first move. Small steps lead to giant leaps. You have the power to change your financial trajectory. Your future self is waiting for you to take action. Subscribe for more tips on wealth and mindset. Let's build your dream life together. See you in the next one.